Heads up, debris coming down. Bring that bin over here.
These conduits align with the upper balcony lighting schematic.
Good. The structural integrity for the chandelier suspension point checks out.
Steady the panel right there. All right, I'm securing the supports now.
Ensure the glass connections on level 2 are secure.
We've got the chandelier crate open, staging the crystal now.
All right, move those planters slightly to the left. All right, easy on the straps, lower it slowly. Holding steady, securing the mounts now. Watch the clearance on the wall panels.
Activating zones 3 and 4.
Looks good from the mezzanine. Copy that.
Switching off the main power now.
We need that lounge chair on the mid-level landing now. Copy that, bringing it up. Ensure the rug is perfectly aligned with the stairs.
Gently place the crystal bowl here. Is the alignment correct now? Almost. Just shift that chair a little to the right.
A little more to the left.
Okay, hold it there while I secure the base.
Careful with the marble.
I think we are finally done. The staging looks immaculate.
Yes, every detail is perfect.
The client will be very happy with this mirror finish.